Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term stock chart of JP Morgan Chase and Company. And if you could probably look at this trend, it's anyhow for the last couple of years or last couple of decades, you could probably say, let's say from the lows of 1990 till the highs of 2019, it has give you a return of 4,100 odd percent. Now, first thing, if you look at the overall chart, what you could probably see here is a big uptrend. Okay, so technically, you should look at the chart where it is going up. Um, so, whenever you're looking at the chart, and I'm saying that it will go up, so I'm talking about the long term trend or the monthly chart of a particular script. So if it is up and if it is going up over a period of time, then it is showing the strength of the business. It represents the strength of the company and how the company is performing over a period of time. Okay. Now understand one more thing, that banking is one of those businesses generally while doing fundamental analysis and trying to find out the intrinsic value of a company, we are saying that the uh, individual can be limited in terms of time period, but whenever we are talking about the company, we are talking the infinite period for the cash flows and then sum it up and discounted it back to the present to find out the intrinsic value. So, though we can't say that a company can be as big as for the last couple of thousand of years, it's not been there in the history and not been there in anybody's memory. But if you're looking relatively, banks are one of those institutions where the history can go back hundreds of years. There are very few companies which are other than banks can exist for more than 100 or 200 years, but the life cycle of bank can probably be much more. I'm not saying so don't think that I'm not talking about other industries, though other companies are also there who has a history of more than couple of hundred of years, but those are very exceptional cases. I'm specifically talking about banking. Okay. So, with that backdrop in our mind, we are going to look at the trend, the current trend, as well as the long term trend of the particular banking stock known as JP Morgan and Chase. Understand this ZERP and NERP policy. So, though it is not for NERP, though it is not NERP for US economy, it although is a ZERP. So when I'm talking about ZERP and NERP, if you are not familiar, if you are new with this term, so I'm talking about zero interest rate policies and negative interest rate policies. So though US has not been entered into a negative interest rate policy, it does entered into a zero interest rate policy kind of regime, and probably there are lots of things which are going on, that how could a bank uh, does or do its business when the interest rate is next to zero, probably lower to zero or at zero. So then if you're thinking like this, you're probably looking at the one side of the coin. Okay, because banks have the maximum resources through which it can generate income. Those are not available for individuals, those are not available probably for institutions, but banks does have it. Okay, so whenever you're talking about banks, you should know about these things. Now understand this, we are going to look at the long term trend and what the trend is indicating. Now this is what you can probably see here. Okay, this is what you could probably see in this chart, that your support level, your immediate support level will come at around $79, where it has taken support and moved back, and then 68 odd dollars. Okay, so these are your two important support levels, because if these two support levels break, then your next upcoming support level will come at around 39 odd dollars. So you should understand about the seriousness of the support level, and each and every support level has equal importance of seriousness. So it's not about something is big and something is small. So you should know about these things. Okay, 79, 68 and probably 40 odd dollars. On the upside, your first target or the resistance will be in between 163 to 206, because we do not know the exact point or exact resistance, so it will be somewhere in between 163 to 206. And beyond that, if it crosses beyond this line, then we are looking at a target in between 328 to 540 or 550 odd dollars. So these are multi-year targets. Okay, these are not small term or for a couple of months or 1 year target. These are multi-year targets. Second thing, what you need to understand here is, when the liquidity is abundant, which it is right now, and it is not about a particular economy, it is about all the economies, either developed or developing. So when we are talking about abundant liquidity, banks can be one of those sectors, when I'm talking about stock market, where they are the utmost beneficiaries. Okay, so understand this thing, and in that sense things are getting very interesting. What you need to see here and what you need to look here is this, that when the stock market goes up, economy facing institutions too are one of the most important and probable sectors where or which economy leads, or probably I can say that those sectors led the economy are banking and autos. Okay, so in that sense you can understand the importance of those institutions. And when it goes up, and in this scenario when the interest rate is very low, so bank will push themselves by creating new products to make some extra bucks with interesting financial products. So I'm going to talk about the consequences of that, but because the liquidity is abundant and they want to circulate money, government want to circulate money on the entire economy, inside the entire economy, so they want to create additional products which are easy to understand and which can provide money to the individuals. So this is a very interesting scenario, and this is a long term trend, and probably it is ready to go on the upside. Keeping the risk analysis first, you should look at this script. So this is the end of the video. If you like this concept, or if you like this video, do suggest, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.